Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to go over the coupon insert preview for you guys of what we're going to be getting on Sunday. So I know a lot of places are shut down. I'm still going to buy at least one newspaper because we are getting our P&G insert which has obviously a ton of great coupons, high value coupons, and a lot of the coupons from these inserts do last for 2, 3, 4 weeks. So I'm going to be buying one newspaper on Sunday, and then if I need to buy additional individual coupons, I will buy those online. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner and the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post any money saving deals or tips almost every single day. Also, my Instagram and my Facebook links are listed in the description box if you don't follow me yet there. I do post additional deals for you guys as soon as they come up or anything that I find, so that way you guys can be in the know as well. So let's go ahead and dive right into this insert. Also, I do have real quick a giveaway going on. So I will have the link in the description box and after this video. It is in my Walgreens online haul. So make sure after this you guys click over to there, go through that video and make sure you enter. I will be announcing the winner on Friday in my must do deals video for Walgreens. So I will make sure that I link that in my Facebook and on my Instagram as well when the winner is announced. So on Sunday, we are going to be getting 2 Smart Source, a Retailmenot, and a P&G insert. So on Sunday, we should be getting a ton of printable coupons, and then on the 1st of April, we will be getting even more printable coupons because it'll be the start of the next month. So we'll have 2 different days of great printable coupons, one Sunday and one Wednesday. So make sure you guys check my video on Sunday morning. I always post what printable coupons they have and then any updates to any of the rebate apps. So Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, if there's any good deals or bonuses coming out, as well as Saving Star and Checkout 51. So if you need help with any of those apps, all my referral codes are in the description box. I do have a video on how to use Ibotta, and I just posted a video yesterday on how to use Fetch Rewards. That is the app I probably use the most. So for the Smart Source number 1, we have a bunch of good coupons. We have a $1 off one Act Kids. It's a mouthwash. A $1 off one Act Rinse. We have an Allegra Allergy. I know allergies are definitely going crazy. My eyes have been super watery lately. $10 off one. So definitely a high value coupon. I know that medicine is expensive, but to save $10, that can go a long way. $1 off one cat treats. We're getting a $1 off 2 Clorox bleach. So I'm excited about that. We should be getting some digital coupons of that, especially Dollar General and Family Dollar. That's usually where I buy my Clorox products. I know most shelves are wiped right now, but that has a very long expiration date, a month and a half. So hopefully this whole thing will be over by that time and we'll be able to stock up again on our bleach. 75 cents off Easy Off. We have Finish Machine Cleaner. I definitely need to grab that. Always good for spring cleaning. I like to clean all my different appliances, and that way we're ready to go for the next year. $1 off Deep Clean Detergent, Finish Jet Dry, and Finish Quantum. $2 off one. That is definitely a great coupon. Hopefully Publix will do like a buy one, get one free. You can use a coupon on a free item at Publix as well, so that could make for some really good savings. Fingers crossed on that. We have Gold Bond, Lime Away. We have 75 cents off Mop and Glow. Never used that product actually. 75 cents off Old English. We have Pine Sol, the large ones, $1 off 2. We're getting another $2 off one Rimmel eye product. The printable coupons on coupons.com, I believe there was one still available for Rimmel. You guys will have to just double check. The website is right here, just www.coupons.com. Those coupons are completely free. That's where I go to print most of my paper coupons. Okay, Smart Source number 2. We have Chobani Chobani singles. There has been a lot of Ibotta rebates lately on Chobani, so we'll have to see if we can put something together with that. I am thinking of doing a Walmart haul probably today or tomorrow. We're out of some food, so we need to stock up again. Our county is looking to go on a 2-week mandated stay at home, so we just want to refill our fridge and share any good deals that there are out there. So I will probably be going out today to restock, so that way my family has enough food for at least 2 weeks. Claritin, we have some really good high value coupons as well. $8, $6, and $10 off one. Those do have smaller expiration dates, only a week. So make sure you guys, if you need that product, you try to grab it next week. $3 off one Depends and $2 off one Depends. We have Domino Golden Sugar. I know a lot of people are doing a lot of baking now that we're at home, and a lot of different bread recipes do use sugar. So that would be a great time to pick up some Domino Golden Sugar and use that coupon. $2 off two for Glade. $4 off one Claritin. We have Biscotti and Thin Additives. $3 off one for the Poise product, $1 off two for the Ricola. We have 55 cents off one Sara Lee Sweet Goods product, $1 off one Zest or Coast, and $2 off one Zim's Max Brand Pain Relief. Okay, now we're on to the Retailmenot. So we have $1.75 off one Super Poly Grip, $2.50 off one Biotine product. That is a good coupon. Sometimes CVS will give us a good Biotine deal, and that is a really high value coupon for Biotine. So we could get some really good savings. Check back on my channel for my CVS ad preview as well as my Walgreens ad preview, and I'll let you know if we have any good deals that are going to be coming. $2 off one Community Coffee. 50 cents off one Can't Believe It's Not Butter. I actually like that butter brand. I've been having from all the different Ibotta and Shopkick rebates. I have a ton of the free plant-based butter in my fridge, so I don't need to stock up on any of that, but 50 cents off one is definitely a good value. I think at Walmart they're about $2 to $2.48, something like that. $1.50 off two Kellogg's Rice Krispies. That could always be a fun little thing to do at home, especially with kids being out of school and a lot of daycares being closed. Can make some really cool Rice Krispie treats at the house, and they're super inexpensive, and I still love Rice Krispie treats, so not gonna lie, I'll eat those too. $2.50 off one Polydent, $2 off one Polydent. We have $3 off one Rock Retinol. We're getting some Suave coupons, which I'm excited about. I've had a $2 off two Suave hair care CRT at CVS for like the past 2 weeks, but we haven't had any good deals or coupons. So typically when we get good coupons, the different pharmacies, Rite Aid, CVS, and Walgreens are going to have deals to pair up with that. So we have a 50 cent off one Suave deodorant, $1.50 off one Suave Kids Hair. Definitely need to stock up on that for sure. $1 off one Suave lotion. We have men's hair care. Buy one, get one free Suave natural hair products. $3 off two for the Suave Professionals. That is a good coupon. Typically they'll go on sale for like 2 for $7, and sometimes even get an extra buck deal as well at CVS. Then if you have like a 2 off 2 Suave hair care CRT, can definitely be a freebie. And $1 off one Suave Professionals, $2 off one Suave Professionals for natural hair, and another Poly Grip 2 ounces. Okay, so now for the P&G insert. We have $3 off one of the 9 Elements laundry detergent. We have $2 off one and $3 off two for the Always. Bounty napkins and paper towels, $1 off one and 50 cents. We have Cascade, $1 off one. Dishwasher detergent, 50 cents off one. $5 off for the Crest 3D White. We're getting Charmin coupon as well. $1 off one Crest mouthwash and $1 off one Crest toothpaste. Kind of low value. Typically for the mouthwash we get $1, but sometimes for the toothpaste we'll get $2. But I'm sure there's still going to be some good deals, especially at Walgreens, to pick up some free or super cheap oral care. 50 cents off one Dawn dishwashing liquid. 75 cents off 2 of the scrubbers, $1 off 1 for select Downy, and then a $2 off 1. So we'll have to read the different sizes and limits on those. $2 off 1 of the Draft Newborn Laundry. And we're getting a 3 off 2 for the Easy Up. So that is a great coupon. Buy 1, get 1 free Febreze Unstoppables. Maximum value is $4. Buy 1, get 1 free Small Spaces. I love these. Every time these come available, I always try to stock up on those. They're super easy. I don't have to worry about spraying the room and using all the aerosols. I just push the little button on the back, pop it in the room, and then when you walk in, it always smells really nice. So I definitely enjoy using those. Buy 1, get 1 free Febreze Forest, Wood, or Ocean. We're getting some Gillette coupons, 3 off 1 disposables, 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, and 2 off 1 Head & Shoulders men's styler products. Herbal Essences Buy or Renew, that's definitely a low value. Typically we get 5 off 2 or 4 off 2. This time we're only getting 3 off 2, so definitely not the best coupon for that. Buy 1, get 1 free Mr. Clean and Clean Freak, maximum value $3. $1 off 2 Mr. Clean, Clean Freak. Oh, excluding Clean Freak, sorry. We're getting some Olay coupons as well, $1 off 1 for the bar soap. And then we have the makeup line here for the eyes, serum, and skincare. Old Spice, we're getting $1 off 2, $2 off 1 for the invisible spray or body spray. Oral-B Replacement Heads toothbrushes. Oral-B Special Care, $2 off 1, and then $1 off 1 for the Oral-B toothbrush. So typically at CVS and Walgreens, when they do the deals for oral care, they usually combine Oral-B with Crest. So if you buy just 1 newspaper, you'll have 1 Crest coupon and 1 Oral-B coupon. So you can probably get some good deals with that with just 1 newspaper. $3 off 2 Pampers, 50 cents off 2 Pampers wipes. $1 off 1 Pantene product, $3 off 3 Pantene products. Not the best deal. Again, usually we get 5 off 3. So these coupons are definitely less value than usual, which is kind of a bummer. Secret, we have some coupons coming. Sinex and Studio by Tide. $1 off 1 Swiffer product. That's usually good to combine in a 5 off 25 if you guys are going out and shopping at Dollar General or Family Dollar. $3 off 2 Tampax. We've gotten a lot of freebies with Ibotta rebates from Walmart when you're shopping for Tampax. So we'll have to check our rebates and see what we have if there's anything new. The Tide coupons, I know my region doesn't get them, so you can always print them. You get 1 print per email address, and it does expire in 48 hours of printing the coupon. So make sure you keep that in mind. The website for that is listed here, pgeveryday.com. We're getting a Vapor Rub coupon, $3 off 1 of the Venus or Daisy disposables, Vicks, $3 off 1 waterless product, and ZzzQuil. So that is everything for the ad preview or the insert preview for you guys. Again, I'm definitely grabbing at least 1 insert. Anytime we get P&G, I at least grab 1 insert. Last week, I didn't grab any because the coupons were super, super slim. So I just purchased a couple individually online. If you haven't seen my Walgreens online haul with my giveaway, make sure you click this video in the top left-hand corner. I also did an in-store video at CVS this week, so make sure you click this video here. There is a digital printable document for you guys with some online deals that you can do as well. If you are a CarePass member, CVS does offer free shipping. Here are some other videos I did for you. If you haven't caught my video on Fetch Rewards and how to use the app, make sure you click this video here as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.